Hello again, Ruba. Welcome back. Last time we finished the bedroom and the living room. Are you ready to choose your kitchen furniture today?
Yes, I'm excited. I want a beautiful and practical kitchen. I also want to learn all the names, so please explain everything.
Of course. Let's start with the kitchen cabinets. Here we have wall cabinets. These are the cabinets fixed on the wall. And these are base cabinets, the cabinets under the countertop.
Nice. What about tall ones? I want more storage.
Great choice. This is a tall cabinet, also called a pantry cabinet. Many customers like it because it holds food, appliances, and cleaning items.
And this corner, what kind of cabinet is that?
That's a corner cabinet. It saves space and sometimes includes a lazy Susan, a rotating shelf that makes it easy to reach things.
Oh, I love that idea. It's very useful.
Now, look here. This is a kitchen island. It gives you more space for preparing food. You can also use it as a small table.
Do people usually add chairs to it?
Yes, many customers add bar stools or counter stools. If you want a cozy eating spot, you can add a breakfast bar too.
I like the bar stools. They look modern.
On this side, we have the kitchen table. You can choose 4 or 6 dining chairs.
Do you have something more casual? Like a bench?
Yes, we have bench seating. Some families prefer it because it saves space.
What about storage furniture?
Here we have a sideboard or buffet. It's perfect for plates and cups. And this tall piece is a hutch, also called a china cabinet. It's good for displaying dishes.
Beautiful. I like the hutch.
Now let's look inside the cabinets. Here we have drawers, and this small one is the cutlery drawer.
Oh, this one pulls out. What's it called?
That's a pull-out shelf, and next to it we have a pull-out trash bin. Very popular with customers.
Do you have something for spices?
Yes, this is the spice rack. And up here we have open shelving, perfect for displaying items.
And what about big pots?
You can use the pot rack. It hangs pots and pans. Here we also have storage baskets, drawer organizers, and a bread box.
Wow, so many things. This really helps.
This is the kitchen sink with a faucet. Next to it is the draining board. It helps water drain after washing dishes.
And this metal thing?
That's the dish rack or drying rack. This wooden board is the cutting board.
Very clear. Thank you.
For lighting, you can choose pendant lights for the island. We also have under-cabinet lighting, which is great for cooking, and a ceiling light for the main area.
I love the pendant lights. They look elegant.
Finally, you can add a wall clock and kitchen mats or small rugs to complete the look.
Perfect.
Now let's look at the appliances and the small tools. Perfect. Let's start with the big kitchen appliances. Here we have the refrigerators. This is a double-door fridge, and next to it is a separate freezer. Many customers choose this set because it gives a lot of space for food. I think I need a big refrigerator. What about this machine under the counter? That's the oven. You can bake chicken, pizza, and cakes in it. Above it, you can see the cooktop, also called a hob. It has 4 burners for cooking. So the cooktop is the top part, and the oven is the bottom part. Exactly. And over here, we have a full stove or cooker. This one has both the oven and the cooktop together. Nice. And what about heating food quickly? That's what the microwave is for. And here is the dishwasher, which washes dishes automatically. Oh, wow. And this metal thing above the stove? That is the range hood, also called the extractor hood. It removes smoke and cooking smells. Very good. I think I understand all the big appliances now. Now let's look at the smaller machines. This is the kettle. It boils water. Next to it is the toaster for making toast. I use a toaster every morning. Here we have the blender for smoothies and the mixer for mixing cake or dough. This one is the food processor. It cuts and slices vegetables very fast. And this machine for coffee? Yes, that is the coffee maker. And next to it, we have the air fryer. Very popular now. It fries food with almost no oil. I like that. And the one for rice? That is the rice cooker. And this machine is the sandwich maker. And of course, here is the water dispenser for hot and cold water. Great. So many appliances. Now let's check the kitchenware. Here are the pots for soup and pasta. These are pans and skillets for frying. What's the difference between a pan and a skillet? A skillet is deeper and heavier. It's good for cooking meat. Good to know. Here we have baking trays, and these are utensils, a spatula, ladle, whisk, and tongs. And here are plates, bowls, glasses, and mugs. Perfect. I think this is everything I need for the kitchen.
Now I want to review all the kitchen furniture we learned in the last video. Let's go slowly so everyone can practice with me. Kitchen cabinets. We have kitchen cabinets, including wall cabinets and base cabinets. The tall one is the tall cabinet or pantry cabinet. In the corner, we have the corner cabinet with the Lazy Susan inside. Countertop areas. The under sink cabinet is under the kitchen sink and the faucet. The flat metal area is the draining board for drying plates. We use the dish rack or drying rack. We also have a cutting board for chopping vegetables. Dining and seating. The kitchen island is in the middle of the kitchen. Next to it, we can put bar stools or counter stools. The breakfast bar is another eating area. For bigger meals, we have a kitchen table, dining chairs, or bench seating. Some customers choose a sideboard or buffet for extra storage. And this tall one is the hutch, also called the china cabinet. Storage and organization. Inside the cabinets, we have drawers, including the cutlery drawer for forks and knives. We also have a spice rack, pull-out shelves, and a pull-out trash bin. For organizing, we use drawer organizers, storage baskets, and the bread box. For pots, we have a pot rack, and for drinks, a wine rack. We can also use open shelving to show nice items. I think that's everything. I hope this review helps you remember all the words.
Thank you so much, Ruba. And thank you everyone for watching. Now you know all the kitchen appliances, small tools, and kitchenware. And you reviewed all the kitchen furniture from last time.
Make sure to practice the vocabulary.
See you in the next video. Bye.